Hey friend, welcome back to Doing It with Tyronzia. Y'all, listen. Y'all know I'm gonna jump right into it because I value your time, honey. Because I know y'all value mine, right? I value mine, so you gotta value mine, right? Because I don't let you devalue my time. Anyway, let me just tell y'all this. So I'm in a lot of digital product groups. I'm in a lot of them, and I saw this thing called RBA this weekend. I'm like, yeah, this gotta be a scheme. This cannot be real. Like it just can't be real. It can't just be readily available like this for the cost. Y'all, I bought it. It's real. So I gotta share it with you guys. Now, because this is not my product, I can't give it to you. I gotta sell it to you, right? I do. I have to sell it to you. And the link is gonna be below. It's only $9.97. Now I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it for $9.97, but for right now, it's $9.97. You cannot beat that, y'all. That ain't even a trip to McDonald's. Depending on where you stay, that's not even a trip to McDonald's. It's not. But let me tell you something. If you see all these business courses listed, you see the Academy Central courses listed. Yeah, I was like, ain't no way all of this is for this cost. And y'all, it is. But guess what? Not only is it for a low cost, you can buy a membership in this academy, in this business community, one time purchase, access to everything that's on this screen right now. Do you hear what I'm saying? All of these courses, it's so easy to go through. Yeah, I just been clicking on stuff, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek because, like I said, it ain't mine to just share, but you can show people. So, say for instance, what before I get into that, I need y'all to go ahead and subscribe, like, comment. You know, help your girl out with this page. I'm trying to get those hours. Help me out. I'm helping you. Help me. Okay, let's help each other. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to say how I want to see it. You join this online community, right? Through school. Can't talk today. You join this online community on the school platform, right? When you join this online community, when I tell y'all I get a notification every doggone 10 minutes because somebody is providing some kind of valuable resource to you, you're in a community with other digital product marketers. Like they're doing what you're trying to do. So if you're trying to get into the digital product space, yeah, I highly recommend this class. Now y'all know not class, community. Y'all know I haven't tried to sell you on anything. I haven't tried to coach you into buying anything. But when I tell you if you want to get into digital products, this is it. I'm just gonna be realistic with you and honest with you. This is it because it shows you how to upload stuff to your stand store. If you want to use Printify, it show you how to set up your Wix page. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't jump into this, I can't help you. Like I can come in here and give you step by step guide all day long, but I'm telling y'all, for $9.97, you cannot. And I'm talking about not $997. I'm talking about $9.97. And I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it at that price because you can price this from anywhere from $5 to 2,000. And once you get into it, yeah, it's I would have paid way more for this. Had I known that this low ticket item was gonna be full of resources, like right here in my face all day long, I would have paid much more. I would have paid way much more. Let me just show you. I'm gonna give you a little snippet. I'm gonna give you a little bit. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Okay, so let's go here. This is the page. This is the community. All they do is this is people giving you helpful tips all day long, asking questions, answering questions. Some of the questions I know y'all got, because some of the questions I had, and baby, they answering them in this community. They are answering them in this community. Right here is 5,400 members. Right now is 111 people online, 7 admins. So you have people available. Any kind of community have 7 admins available. It ain't somebody just doing it on their own. She has help. When I tell you, I wish I just knew this girl personally to just go give her a hug and tell, girl, where you been? Y'all, let me just show you in the classroom. So let me, I gotta give y'all step by step. If you join this community, if you don't have the school platform, you have to, you know, get the school platform. You can go online on your computer or you can download the app. I have it on my phone, which is y'all. If you're a creator having a readily available resources at your fingertip, you can't beat that. Download the school app, sign up for school, join this community. Once you purchase this, you can join. You just gotta send her your receipt, but it's all in the email once you join it. Once you join, so you just go right here to the classroom. This is the classroom, right? It's showing you all the different classes that's available to you. So I'm just gonna show y'all this video. Well, I'm gonna say this video because I know a lot of you guys want to start your online store. So you just simply come here, click here. On your online store, it's showing you stand store, um, your beacon store, your link tree setup, Shopify. You want to do Shopify. We're gonna go back to classroom. Um, it's showing you how to navigate through this community. It's showing you how to set up your online store. It's telling you to start here because it actually give you all the directions right here. Millionaire mindset give you, how you got to think. If you want to make the money, you got to think like a millionaire. You can't obtain $1 million when you're not even thinking that you can obtain $1 million. So mindset. They got the business foundation, how to set up your business. Your business branding is showing you how to brand your business. Business credit, government contracts, business automation, tools like how. Look at this. Let me show you. It's telling you identify your business need, set up your team, train your team, automate your DMs. Yeah, all the questions y'all been asking, they're right here. She's answering for you. I was like mind blown. Yeah, I'm sorry if my voice is cracking up. Listen, I'm in Mississippi, baby. We used to wearing tank tops in January. Y'all, right now I got on a turtleneck, a bubble coat, snow boots, it all. The weather has like shifted gears on us. Yeah, I gotta crank up my truck in the morning, let it run like 20 minutes, so my heater ain't working after 10. I'm like, this ain't for me. So I'm like not sick, but yeah, I'm dealing with something. I'm not claiming no sickness. I don't do that. So I'm receiving my healing right now. That's what I'm doing. But I could not wait till my voice got back right to come tell y'all this because when I tell y'all, I wasn't expecting this. I done paid for a lot of courses. I told y'all that. I have paid for a lot of courses. I have paid $1,200 for courses. I got a course now. I'm paying $200 a month for that course. Y'all, I would pay. I would pay it for this course because it's showing you everything you need. Let me just look at this business PLR products. This is what y'all want. It's a over 300 plus PLR business setup guides and digital products. Let me just show y'all. This is what you want. So if you want the 300 plus digital products. Let's just look through it a little bit. I ain't showing y'all too much. Like I said, it ain't mine. It's telling you what's all in here. It's telling you the list of things that's what's in here. Let me just show y'all. You don't even have to worry about coming up with an idea. Only thing you gotta do is market your idea, market this. Yeah. Ooh. Let's click on anything. I don't even know what I'm clicking on, but we gonna click on something. Yeah, look right here. Already done for you. And the crazy thing about this, y'all can save this and resell it each. You ain't got to do it in no bundle. Who said you got to do anything in the bundle? You can resell this as is for one thing. You can sell this for $5, $10, 24.99, whatever you want to change it. You can edit it. I'm not doing all this, but you can edit it because it's a template. Yeah, you can get Canva to print this for you. It's telling you $23.45. If you don't even sell this, you can use it for yourself, baby, because we all need that habit tracker. And yeah, I'm just clicking on stuff in this I'm just clicking on stuff in this community, y'all. I don't think I've ever been this excited about a community because when I tell y'all I know I'll be on here giving y'all some little gems, showing y'all how to do A, B, C, D, F, G. I know I'll be on here showing y'all this. But when I tell you this girl, when she came up with this idea, baby, she took the cake. Like I'm talking about, she didn't even slice the cake. She just picked the cake up from the party and took it home. Y'all gotta get this. And I'm telling y'all, right now, today is January 18th. No, I'm skipping for like 10 days. Today is January 8th. It's 10:34 p.m. The price is $9.97. As I continue to dive in deeper and I see more stuff in here, it's not gonna be $9.97. So if you watch this video in July and that price ain't $9.97, I told y'all today is January 8th. The price is gonna go up because when I tell you it's so value packed. Like if you want to start your digital product business, you can. And it's no waiting, it's no thinking. It's all here for you. It's done for you. Only thing you gotta do is make it your own. Like if you're like I told y'all, one of the biggest things you're gonna do in your business is brand your business. Brand it. So like I know my color's pink. I don't want this. So what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna edit it and change it to something else, right? Or I'm just I'm gonna make it blue. I'm gonna make it pink. Yeah, I know myself pink and black, but I'm just gonna change it. That's all you have to do. Yeah, I know I'm probably racing just all over the place, but when I tell y'all, I, I yeah, I have paid for some courses, but I have never been more excited about a course until I joined this community. Y'all gotta join. If you don't join, you playing with yourself, you playing with your business, you playing with your future. Because if somebody has taken the time to do everything for you, and all you gotta do is go in, get familiar with the what's in the course, and actually get on social media and market this course and sell it, you ain't really have to change anything. Like most of them, you have to change it, rebrand it. But the way she has it set up, she wants you to give out the sheet that she gives you. She wants you to give credit, to the actual designer. I mean, well, not the designer, but the person who's actually started this community. Yeah. And not only are you getting access to all these done for you products, you're getting access to a community for a one-time fee. Now I done seen a lot of ladies on here selling this. It's saying like it's RBA. Um, yeah, I can't stress it enough. If you want to start a digital product business, here's your opportunity. And she shows you within the community, within that classroom I just showed you, if you have a stand store, how to add it to your stand store. And if you can't figure out how to add it to your stand store, leave me a comment. When you make the purchase from me today, or whenever you make it, shoot me an email like, hey, I need to know how to do this. And I'll walk you through it. Because I'm telling you, in 2025, I want to see you guys be so successful. It's time out for waiting on the right time. Trust me, no time is the right time. Anytime you go to do it, you're going to have some kind of limitations in place. And I told you, I heard some guy, I read it, I don't know, I don't remember, but it says fear. Being courageous is not, being courageous is not saying that fear isn't present. It's choosing to do it anyway, even in the face of fear. Because fear is false evidence of something that really isn't real. It's not real. It's just I think it's something that the devil put in our head to limit our possibilities. Like y'all, I ain't really just tried to sell y'all nothing. Like even for my Fab 50, I don't really push the Fab 50. I mentioned the Fab 50 because I do think it's a good product. But this, I'm gonna say this to y'all because y'all need y'all to buy it. Y'all need y'all to buy it. I'm telling you, it is jam packed with information. And it's not. And when I got into it, I bought courses where I felt overwhelmed. This one, y'all, I don't feel overwhelmed. It's very easy to follow. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all buy it, you get confused, send your girl email. You're gonna have my email. It comes to you. Send me a message. I have my Facebook account, my TikTok account on most of my videos. Send me a DM. Now you do know that it's gonna filter it because we're not friends on those social media platforms. So it'd be like a week or two. Don't send me that on Instagram. I ain't an Instagram user. I have an Instagram, but I'm a Facebook, TikTok person. But if y'all want to see me on Instagram, just know it may be a month before I look at it because I really don't get on Instagram like that. But if send me an inbox on Facebook, just know that it might go to the spam. So if I don't respond to you, it's not because I'm ignoring you, it's because it's in my spam folder, okay? So and periodically I check that because I know that because I'm doing these videos, people want to connect with me and they're not my friends on social media. So listen, follow me on social media. Do whatever you want to do. I mean, it is what it is. But I mean, if you do send me a Facebook friend request, send me a DM and be like, hey, this is me. I saw your YouTube video because I get a lot of random friend requests, and y'all, I don't need to have nobody lurking at what I'm doing. So I may not accept it, but if you tell me who you are and how you associate yourself with me, then hey, I'm gonna accept it. Okay. So listen, if I don't sell y'all nothing else, I'm gonna sell y'all this because you need it. I'm telling you, I promise you do. I'm be your friend, baby. I'm be your friend. I'm tell you, you need this. So go get it. It's I'm not even gonna put a description in this thing. All I'm gonna do, well, I might put a little description, but I'm gonna put this link first because I need y'all to click on it. I need y'all to purchase $9.97. It's not gonna be $9.97 long. I'm telling you. So it is what it is. It's not gonna be $9.97 long because it's value packed. Value packed. I can't wait for y'all to join. I can't wait to hear your testimonies. I can't wait to hear your reviews. If you get a little confused, I told you, email me. I'm telling you, contact me. So if you get confused and you up there frustrated, that's on you because I'm telling you to contact me and you choose not to. Friend, I'm here for you. Okay? Let's make this year one of, not the best year, because you got so many more years ahead of you. Let's make this year one of the best years of your life. Okay? Because we're going to go from glory to glory. We're going to get greater and greater, baby. I got made a shirt that say I'm only getting better. Every day I'm getting better. And so are you, friend. Okay? Bye, girl.